Welcome back. In my last video, we talked about how to find the GCL. Well, guess what? Today, we're going to learn how to find the LCM. Now, a lot of my students have been getting it mixed up because sometimes I will ask them to find the GCL and they will be finding the LCM and vice versa. Well, today, we are going to combat that issue because I am going to teach you how to find the least common multiple. Yay! Let's go. Alright, so first of all, there are two methods I'm going to show you on finding the LCM. So I know you see that little that chart that you see or that symbol that you see or that method that you see that we call the upside down cake that we utilize with GCL. That's right, you can use it again for LCM. There's only one extra step you need to do that will make it different for finding the GCL. But I guess that's why the students got it confused. Who knows? Whatever the case may be, I hope that this resolves that problem. So first, let's look at the cake method, and then we're going to talk about the other one, which is just simply listing the multiples. All right. Of course, we're going to start off with the two numbers we have, 10 and 12. And again, I'm going to ask myself, what can I divide those two numbers by evenly without getting a decimal? I just want a whole number. And I'm going to start with a 2. The reason why I always start with 2, or why I could always start with 2, is because those two numbers that I have are both even. So therefore, I can cut them out. I can cut them in half by using a 2. Again, what is 10 divided by 2 and what is 12 divided by 2? You will get 5 and 6. So at this step, we are asking ourselves, is there any other number that I can divide evenly into 5 and 6? And of course, you're going to get the number 1. But when you get the 1, you just stop, because guess what? Once you keep dividing those numbers by 1, you're going to keep repeating yourself over and over and over and over again. So therefore, you stop right there. Now, you're going to follow these steps. All you have to do, and I mean all you have to do, is multiply those numbers from the left side all the way down to the bottom. That's right. That's what I said. So those numbers are 2, 1, 5, and 6. Well, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. And 10 times 6 is 60. So therefore, you're going to see that the LCM is 60. So now let's go ahead and list the multiples. So basically, you're just going to make a list of all the multiples of 10 and 12. You don't have to write all of them, but you just keep going until you find that common number. So we're going to start with 10s. You see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I'll stop right there, but you can keep going if you want. And then you're going to jump down and do the 12. You got 12, 24, 36, 48. Stop at 60, because I noticed that they both have what in common? If you look at it, let me find my cursor. There we go. Right here. If you look at it, you can see that they both have 60 in common. And that's going to be our least common number. Now, is that the only one? No, that is not the only one. There are multiple. There are many. But we are only focusing on the least common multiple. That means as soon as you find the first set, you stop right there, because that's the one you want. Okay? So therefore, we notice that our LCM is 60. We got 60 over here, and we also receive a 60 over here. So that tells me that both my methods work. Now, again, as with anything that you do in math, whichever way that works for you, works for you. I cannot tell you this is the only way. You find the way that works for you, and as long as you can prove yourself that the answer is right, then you do you. This is just two methods that I like to use, and there are many more out there. So if you have something better, you can leave it in the comment section. Let me know. Hey, check this out. I'll look at it. All right, now, I hope you didn't think that that was it for you, because it's not. Now, it's your turn. I need you to find the least common multiple of 4 and 9. Now, of course, I'm going to give you the answer, but I'm not going to show you how to do it because I already did that. Your job is to like this video and leave a comment in the section. Let me know whether you did it and if you did it correctly. Now, if you didn't do it right and you have questions, feel free to leave a comment there as well. Again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Oh, back up. I didn't give you guys the answer. Here we go. The answer is 36. I was just joking, guys. Now you're free to go. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. Please don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to Basic Math Skills with Mr. G.